Hi everyone. Today we will see logical operators and if statement in Excel. First we'll see logical operators. I'll take some data here. $20, $30, 4, some random numbers. I'll take some random numbers. See, I'll take these are some random numbers. We'll see first logical operators. I want you to compare these two things. First we'll see what are the logical operators we have. For that, what I'll do, I'll insert a column here. Insert column. See, I have inserted column. We have some logical operators equal to and not equal, greater than equal, less than or equal to, greater than, less than. So these are the logical operators we have. Now we'll see that first equal to operator. Is these two values are equal to or not? We'll compare it. For comparing, we need to start with equal to B1 equal to C1. Click enter. So it is showing as Boolean expression. This is called Boolean expression. False. It is showing as false because 20 equal to 30, it's not true, so it is showing as false. And we'll see these things. Equal to B1 not equal to B2. It is true, right? 4 and not equal to with 7, right? So this is true. And greater than equal to, we'll calculate greater than equal to. So it is false. 7 is not greater than 9, right? So it is false. Again, equal to this thing and less than or equal to this. It is true. It is not. It is equal, right? Why it is showing as true? It is even it is greater than, means greater than or equal to. So it is satisfying equal or greater than. So both the condition will come in less than or equal to, or greater than or equal. So it will compare equal. It is true. It is more than that. It will show it as true. So that's why it is showing true. And suppose if it is only less than, if there is no equal to, only less than, then what it is, it will show it as false. See, so in this way you can calculate, you can assume. Sorry. So close down. Okay, now we'll compare these two. Greater than. So what will be the answer? 7 is greater than 2, right? It comes true. And we'll compare this thing less than or equal to this. So it is also true. So in this way we can calculate logical operators, logical values. So these are the comparative operators. We can use these operators in Excel. it will show the values in boolean. It will show the values as boolean expressions. These are the boolean values, true or false. And coming to if condition, if is nothing but, if it is true, it will show it as, it will compare the two things. By the two things we can get the values. So I'll tell you the example. Suppose here what I am comparing here, I'm comparing that b1 equal to c1. Then if it is true, it is showing as true. If it is false, it is showing as false. But apart from boolean values, I wanted to display some other values. I wanted to here it is showing as true and false, right? I don't want to see true and false. I want to see some other values, pass or fail, or yes or no, like that. So for that we should use if function. If bracket open b1 equal to c1, comma, if it is true, if it is equal, then value is true, otherwise value is false. First it will give priority to true. Below you can see the formula. So if it is satisfied, it will show it as true. For true, I want to get pass. For true value, I wanted to get pass. For string values, we need to give it in double quotation, pass or fail. Close the bracket. Try to understand here what I am trying to explain here. I don't want to see boolean function false and true. In the place of true, I should get pass. In the place of false, I should get fail. For that, I am using if condition. If it is b1 equal to c1, then it is true. I want to display as pass. If it is false, I want to display as fail. So what would be my answer here? Fail. See, again for the same thing for next. If, open the bracket, logical function, and if it is then, I want to know. Every time writing true or false is getting difficult, right? What I'll do, pass, I'll create these two things here. We'll try to call these things here. If not equal to, then comma, if it is true, I should get this. If it is false, I should get this. See what happened here? Just I have created two things here, pass and fail. I'm calling this cells here in this formula. So in this way you can easily get the values. And same thing here, equal to if greater than equal to this. Here pass and fail are small. First letters are capital but remaining all letters are small, right? But I want all the letters should be in capital. If I get answer as pass, all the letters should get in pass. All the letters should be in caps. If I get fail, all the letters should be getting caps. So for that we can use upper this value, close the bracket, comma, upper this value, close the bracket, and double close, enter. And oh sorry, here it is showing as wrong. Upper should get upper, right? So now we'll see fail. So what happened here? Fail is all the letters came in caps, right? So in this way we can change the change it to uppercase or lowercase by using upper and lower functions. These are the predefined functions in Excel. So again, if here will convert into all letters into small, equal to if sorry equal to if then I should get all the values as lowercase. All the values as lowercase. See, all the values has been displaying as lowercase. So in this way you can use if function. If is nothing but for instead of seeing boolean values, we can see the predefined values, pass or fail, yes or no. In this way we can get the values. By using if condition, we can give values which we want to display. By seeing that values, we can understand that clearly. We can understand the functionality. So that's all about this session. Thank you.